Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in the southern German city of Ulm. Albert Einstein grew up in a middle-class Jewish family in Munich. As a child, Einstein became fascinated by mathematics, science, and music as he played the violin. He dropped out of school in 1894 and moved to Switzerland, where he resumed his schooling and later gained admission to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic Institute in Zurich. In 1896, he renounced his German citizenship and remained officially stateless before becoming a Swiss citizen in 1901. The German-born physicist Albert Einstein developed 4 of his groundbreaking theories while working as a clerk in the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. In the first paper, he applied the quantum theory developed by German physicist Max Planck to light in order to explain the phenomenon known as the photoelectric effect, by which a material will emit electrically charged particles when hit by light. The second article contained Einstein's experiment proof of the existence of atoms, which he got by analyzing the phenomenon of Brownian motion, in which tiny particles were suspended in water. In the third and most famous article, titled On the Electrodynamics of Moving Bodies, Einstein confronted the apparent contradiction between 2 principal theories of physics, Isaac Newton's concept of absolute space and time, and James Clerk Maxwell's idea that the speed of light was constant. To do this, Einstein introduced his special theory of relativity, which held that the laws of physics are the same even for objects moving in different inertial frames, which is at a constant speed relative to each other, and that the speed of light is a constant in all inertial frames. Here, it comes his mind-blowing thinking, and this we call Einstein thought experiment. A fourth paper concerned the fundamental relationship between mass and energy, concept viewed previously as completely separate. Einstein's famous equation E equal to mc squared, where c was the constant speed of light, expressed this relationship. From this equation, the era of atomic bomb began. After making his name with 4 scientific articles published in 1905, he went on to win worldwide fame for his general theory of relativity and a Nobel Prize in 1921 for his explanation on the phenomenon known as the photoelectric effect. An outspoken pacifist who was publicly identified with the Zionist movement, Einstein immigrated from Germany to the United States when the Nazis took power before the World War II. He lived and worked in Princeton, New Jersey for the remainder of his life.
Created using Powtoon.